On the 12th day of the month of November 2024, now NBC, they give this government to NBC day for power. So when NBC now the Monday Okpebholo, now they lead the government and they give them power to make become the governor of this state. If you look at now, the 2-year calendar well, by next week or thereabout, now go be exactly 100 days when NBC don't stay for office. The question NBC will they ask ourselves how the daughter impacts the life of the people for those states after these 100 days. The only person NBC will feel become a contact to, the person NBC they talk for government, so to speak, that be the Commissioner for Information and the Orientation, they get what they call
Information and Communication.
Okay, the Commissioner for Information and Communication for those states, where his name be Paul or Hombamo, if you call her Equity, you know the verse. I agree to my brother.
Thank you very much.
I agree to you.
God bless you.
Welcome. 100 days
yes.
after, how the journey don't be?
100 days, get good stories to tell about this governor. He don't do many things where people see.
Okay.
He don't do even some way what they call intangible. You know if you touch them, but it dey inside people.
They feel am.
They feel am. They regularize past irregularities, past errors. He don't do many. You know, lecturers where they drive from Ekpoma, he bring them back. All their money, he pay them. You see and say 128 graduates from their medical college of medicine in Ekpoma, where due to lack of accreditation, they not free do induction since they don't they wait. You don't do one 2 days ago, then they induct them. They take the Hippocratic oath 2 days ago. So many things we don't do. That same Ekpoma, you don't employ academic and non-academic staff. That same Ekpoma, you don't inaugurate where they record a normal practice standard. You don't inaugurate the governing council. We're not there before. You know, past government, this seat, you get what they call special intervention team. Now the former governor now. But the normal practice say every institution like that must get, you know, governing council. You don't do one, headed by Chief Dan Obi. Now, if you go even our polytechnic, within these 100 days, you don't get accreditation for 3 programs for that school. If you look at the programs now, the HND Business Administration, HND Estate Management, then ND Mineral and Petroleum Resources. Okay. They don't get them.
You know, so if we say we do all of this once, we do all of this, we say congratulations.
Yes.
And the rest. But the questions when we say I want to find out. When we start, the very first day we say the governor come, we say want to hit the ground running. And when you say hit the ground running, before you go to the Apple, don't check go check that road where they did there. They come Bini here, go Aduawa junction by Upper Mission Road Extension there, and that kind of thing. We see all of these things when we say this. Before we go to the Apple, they say we will get flyover and everything. The question I will ask, where the flyover? They know they see work when we say the Apple.
No, flyover and construction of bridge, and you know say the process. They take long. That now
no, you tell us between 1 year and 6 months.
But now they turn 100 days. We talk now. You don't start the process.
Let's say if they build that, you go see the foundation, you go see everything.
You don't start that one already. But they say the posture of your blows. It's difficult now to really see them. You don't start them. They don't take the whole thing, and you know there are procedures. Now people get lands where they are those places before. And those people, you will need to still compensate them.
So what will be the compensation now? How far don't go?
It don't go far. So there are so many things that you need to do. It's not a lawless governor where you just take, like as they see before, take someone's property. You say this time the process is there where they follow. But for that place, it don't go far in the program. Now once when they see them, they come, they go see them well. That is something where yes, you admire. And one good thing about that flyover, people just see and only say that flyover, bridge. But some of us, they see it as economy of the place, because to construct a flyover, any bridge for that matter, is to reinvent commerce I'm sorry.
No, no problem.
The business of the business of that area, the whole corridor, whether even though at Ramat Park, you'll see say you'll stretch all to Agbo Park. The business is there. I mean, then Aduawa, because if you look at all other places, although this is not the first one we want to get for those states, and you don't talk 3. Now you want to put Sapler Road by Desowa Junction, one day there. First, that Okpebholo, first junction.
One day for Ramat Park.
Yes.
And the rest. But people did look and now say,
so
okay.
Work they go on. It's not the, you'll see the one way easy, way this kind of plan is not there. You'll see how far it don't go. Like Temboga Road, the people there, they pray for them.
But that area they come now, people talk and say, why invest for flyover? Why not think of the inner road? Because whether you like them or not, people are talking for this Nigeria say, Edo State has one of the best network of roads.
Yes.
But the challenge be say, most of these roads there, they're not demotorable. So why would not go invest to put all these roads there in place rather than say we they invest for flyover?
The issue of that flyover, not to ease vehicular, the traffic, the congestion where they do. Of course, you know, say that one importance, one relevance of flyover. So that if you go to Port Harcourt now, for example, if they go airport from wherever you live, you know they pass 10-15 minutes.
You don't reach where they
You don't reach where they go. That's one of the, apart from the aesthetic, the beauty, where they do. But all these other roads where they talk, the governor is prepared because you need to see all the roads here, man. They are just talking 100 days now. The way you don't touch. Yeah. Even the ones abandoned by former governor, second Ugbo, they don't enter. Then they do them. Ekewan Road, they don't do them. The Uwelu and the other, because he promised them. And Erai Care Houses. So what I'm saying in essence is the Ute, that Palace Road for Ute, you see say they don't go far. And the people are praying for him. They see him, they walk. Not be just to talk, you go rest. And if they waka, go they see what they do.
All of this one they talk about now. Very good thing. Now talk and say government is continuing. Yeah. Where they say the last one do
it. Go school where when they beat people, they fix all those places.
Are they call for education? No? Are they call because they do take roads now. You understand? Very good thing. They say government is continuing according to when.
If you look at Ekpoma Ile Road, Ekpoma through Ekpoma Uromi to Obiaja roads, all these roads they fix all. I don't know if you get. Then Uzia, Ohe Uzia Road, that as he enter. So that whether the city or the hinterland, they go up.
Okay. Now very good thing. Now this year say I go talk say yes say they do. So we they talk and I say continue on when I talk just now. When I want finish the ones the one they say the man of the former government starts because I see the essence of those roads. What about the fresh ones then?
Those ones are the minor, the fresh ones.
Then they think of saying I want to do fresh roads.
So many.
Okay.
We don't, you know, time now day to start listing. It was that all day where they don't. Yeah, man. This old hair. Why you say fresh? You know, roads. Many of the roads are fresh ones because why you not they see as fresh? You realize say those towns, those villages, where they exist. Yeah. You get what I say? And if they not do any roads for a place, for example, any town, they not do road. People just maybe roads of yesteryears where they just grade or do for over 30 years ago. They just manage them. Somebody will come do a fresh one.
And now they'll call them.
But na fresh, that's the truth.
Okay, make we talk about it.
Because if after 30 years, people they saw depression, they suffer how to take their produce to town because road not there. Eh? Someone we can't do one. The fact say that town don't stay there for 100 years. And still new roads, na fresh road. Okay. Because if to say others do if for not go do one.
Okay. The thing when we say, we look a little about security.
Yes.
The thing when we say people they talk now, talk and say yes, say, okay, good thing. We talk and say yes, say matter when we say concern secret courts, court killings for Edo State. When I talk and say as it be, we want to the law of a day before on our councillor.
Yes.
Bring new law, say they're going to do 21 years imprisonment for those kind of people, be say again for those kind of bad things and that kind of. But the people they wonder, say, is it the law now be the problem, or the execution, or the implementation of such laws? Because don't they see many laws before, whether we like them or not. Whether we like them or not, when this government come into being, after they come into being, we get court killings. After they come into being, before they come bring this law up, and we don't get law before. The one they did before that 14 years,
yes.
And that kind of, they call it to 21 years. Now you man come, they say Nigeria has one of the best sets of law. They say, but the execution of such laws, now be a problem. What will be the guarantee? Say yes, say people will feel sleep with their eyes closed now. Say court-related activities, when they take lives and properties, don't go happen again.
Thank you very much. You know, say since this governor come, I'm sure you are aware, say nothing like court fights again.
No, they fight after it's done, that's where I am.
And at that time, it stop them. Not, you say under my watch, they fight. Now, it stop them immediately.
But
the people were arrested.
Okay.
People were even arrested. And he won, he no one hear anything. That's why for December, you know, in that festive period, now the thing they go haywire before. December, people will travel come say, Benin never did peaceful like this before. They enjoyed it. As for the law, where you talk, law, they important. When you pass law, where it be like you they slap someone on the wrist, it don't matter anything. You know, you go commit and I know say wait day to, but now you see this one area where you put, you feel not even be caught person. You see, and similar activities prohibition. Okay. Similar activities you feel not be caught, but your activities now such way effect even be like the one way courts they do. In fact, even they similar or even the same with what court people they do. You are also, there are some persons, people control guns, yet cannot shoot, and they control guns. The law covers you. People who obtain justice, yet they recommend the law. Yet now they obtain justice, now they so whichever way, those who are obstinate or obdurate at heart and malevolent in intent, when a wickedness just food their mind, just food their belly. People where they adopt violence as the principal weapon of choice in interaction. Ordinary talk like this, it don't hit you. Although those similar activities, then look at one thing inside. Where I say the former one slap on the wrist, where you not they move anybody. Now, if you are involved, even your property where you suffer abuse, the risk of losing it there. Property. And you know, even as wicked as Machiavelli, for in book The Prince, he warned leaders, the leaders of principalities, that never you touch people's wives or their properties. And the reason, he said, men sooner forget the death of their fathers than the loss of their patrimony.
What do that one mean?
That is, even people where their papa, a man now, you go don't forget, say papa don't die. That property where he lose, you go pay now. Where they destroy, you go pay now rich grant. The end. So that one again, now restraining thing for people. They will suffer the withdraw because property. You know, when we talk of origin of the family and private property, property is a serious one. Frederick Engels right now. Property is a serious thing that even countries where they don't command economy, like Russia, then they take people say na states get them, control them. Those people there, they admire America, where they do innovative and constructive, innovative and expansion, all inclusive. Property rights, you get them and the rest. So people value property more than anything. And the governor mean am.
We know if you say it's day too early now to talk say whether the governor mean am or not. So when we say we know, say the last killings here now for early December. Now we say happen. Granted, Christmas time there was no killing. We dey get time before in the past when we say it go happen today, small break go day, and the rest. You know, if you say the time never reach when we say if we talk say this thing don't they work, or we don't get any example at all when we say we don't ever since when we say this law don't come on.
But example only happen if they try am.
Okay.
This thing, you don't, the government won't be person you go try like that too.
Okay.
The fact just see and they smile, they go quiet, they, you know, say Oyibo talk say deeper rivers, and then they flow in majestic silence. And they say the flower that smells the best, where they smell, is often shy and lonely.
Okay.
So you go under it. This government not be you, they just think say, okay, Okpebholo is quiet, he does not talk. All his utterances are buried in his actions and deeds. Okay. So if you not talk, boy, go take action.
Okay. I want to find out from you. I want to take your leg go back small. You get some things that when we say we they look at government properties then. Work when we say government don't do this road. How now want to complete them? Now take you go back to Owina Road. We hear say they don't pay the contractor over 80% of contract sum for that road. Yet the road they never do up to 80%. This is not part of the road. You know understand? They never do up to 80% of the road. This kind of contractor now, waiting will happen to run. Abi, I just leave and say yes, because next time we go here now, you're not going to do the road, though, we revoke the contract. You go revoke the contract, go with the money and go with everything.
No, you know, say the governor not be vindictive person or where they want wicked.
They look for person when they punish. They not the person they look for person when we go punish.
Now they look for who to punish.
So that say we let them go like that with the money.
No, what they say, that 80%, not waiting they talk. You see, when asset verification brings reports that day, when they submit, you can't see revelation. Okay. Many things where they talk on a lie. Okay. Many of things where we get stake, where they just own privately. They'll use government money do them. Then they'll give the impression and push forward saying a private concern.
Okay.
And on government money, like Radisi. You say Edo State cannot have just 20% of a stake in the matter. When you say Edo State money you use, which money will bring out the company or the body where you spend money where they take do Radisi.
So for Radisi now, what you want to happen to a place like Radisi?
The truth of the matter in property law, they say ownership is an indeterminate factor. Possession is an observable phenomenon. It's already, we have owned it and we have possessed it. We are taking possession.
I say Edo State government, I get this.
Yes, Edo State government. So many, I'm telling you. So that kind of person, you come and say, I paid 80% of this thing. Go and verify. You cannot pay 80% and the work is not done. You dey look am. Okay. You come out like that. When you know say verification go happen, they will call you to question. Then you go just leave and make it go like that. You see, so something is fishy. Nothing. That what you show just now, you not reach 20%.
Now they are the road decision.
I don't see them. You not reach 20, and this one a risk to human beings.
You got to for now.
Yes. So, but the governor is determined. He don't talk and say all the works where they beneficial to the people first and foremost. They go do them. Okay. Notwithstanding, you know, why we are, you know, questioning the rationale of money we then take. Okay. So that because you must expose many of these things.
But they hear say even 100 days in office, one thing won't be saying I want to do now. They say you want to rehabilitate and 100 schools. Want to rehabilitate 100 schools. All these are existing schools then. So that first 100 days now, me say all these 100 schools then, let's say I do one every day, so to speak. These 100 schools, they won't be
once they speak, works they go on for many.
For the schools then.
Yes,
and the rest. But what did the rehabilitation, people talking about you go they paint the school and all of that. So that might be the rehabilitation.
No, when you say you are innovating and rehabilitating, it starts from the roofing.
Okay.
Many of the schools where they don't do their roof, come put tiles, then show some even, put tiles on them, come put the white blackboard before they paint. Roofing first with wood and all. So that one is like building, okay, maybe they build, then come leave them like that for you to come roof, come do the rest. People were sitting, rain go, sun go, they hit them. And the governor now, he get the kind heart we get. He said, this cannot happen. Wetin can be the Edo best? If you watch, you not say they talk that thing well. Wetin can be the Edo best? He saw that situation in Eweka Primary School, Benin City. Go there, it is done. He saw the situation in New Era College, from Pass there in Benin City. Go there, it is done. He saw the situation in Ebomisi Secondary School, that is Ugboyobu, Nine for side that way. Go there, it is done. He saw the situation even in Udomi Primary School for Uwesan, Esan Central Local Government. Go there, it is done. That's a situation he saw in, what is this school? Anglican Girls for Iroa. I think one school for Iroa, girls school. It is done. Okay. So many. Then there's this Ugbubezi Primary School in Sabogida Ora. That one was worse. It's done. So many. But time we don't
get the time. Yes. That be the thing when we say today. That's the situation.
I got to give you
some kind of examples.
Some examples. Where you go?
We go and we go count all of them.
Thank you.
100 for the 100 days.
Yes.
For time when basically say take about a week or thereabout or more, we see some kind of things there when we say happen. When we say it consign some of your colleagues there, Attorney General of the state and Commissioner for Justice, and even the chairman of the State Local Government Service Commission, and all of that. Before we know what they happen, they don't. So we see later for our side, if these people they suspend them for grave financial infraction. That na big this thing. Then when we say, now don't come inside the government for less than 100 days. We don't hear say people they involved for grave financial infractions then. And I'm like, what will be the position of that case now?
You know, say many of, when this kind of matter come out, that's why the governor in his wisdom set up a panel day. You know, you must set to call the people, may they can't defend themselves. Now, until that panel come out with reports, because if I'm talking now, I'm preempting. Okay. And I cannot preempt what the panel will decide. Okay. When that panel don't decide, and say, this man is free. Waiting, talk, we can't find out why he do this, why he do that. Then it's not culpable. Okay. You go back to your office. Okay. If you're not confident, defend yourself before panel. You get what I'm saying? So anything like that, when they set up committee or panel to investigate. But one thing that is clear is, if governor see anything will not clear for your eye, he quick do them, people should also commend him. Okay. It should say no one time at all, and a message to the rest of us, will be commissioner, special advisor, that you have in your hand, you are into an enterprise of honorable, dangerous consequence.
Honorable,
dangerous consequence. Yes.
Okay. No wahala. See, in the same vein of suspension and all the rest, all the 18 local government chairmen, they were suspended for 2 months. By Monday here now, go be exactly 2 months on the 17th. When we say be exactly 2 months and the rest. What will come with the fate of those ones? I've been asking to investigate their matter.
No, their own fate. If you don't read one work by Dante, it's titled Divine Comedy. You'll see and say, in that book, Beatrice completed all that Virgil has done. Just as Jerusalem perfects all that Athens had accomplished. You'll see and say, House of Assembly suspend them. PDP-led House of Assembly. Their own legislative house, that is their councillors, PDP councillors, complete term by impeaching them. That impeachment sealed the whole thing. They are no longer, people don't date there, and I see the PDP. So that I tell some people, where governor coming? Governor APC. Then we suspend them a PDP-led house because they're vibrant, they see and say anything way bad. Now, so bring your books, maybe we see. You say arrogance enter, you not go do. Now, governor write to house where they even look in your own books. Where you go see look now. See, when I go tell me I can't give, I can't go give. I tell these people, may they bring their books. maybe I don't know what happened.
But the way they talk, so now the executive, the what do they call it? The legislature, now they look, you definitely for that House of Assembly.
Yes.
Now the legislature, they look into the activities of the executive. You understand? So why you can't be the other way around now? So the executive now, I'm going to check the activities of another executive. No. They expect the councillors and the legislative arm of that place. When they ask them the question, why go be in the states?
Yes, let me tell you, so many things happened. And you know, when you dissipate resources of the state, when you spend anyhow, you feel not they complain because now you be the protagonist, the hero there. But the account of the state or that local they complain. If they talk say, you know, autonomy, you know me say you are not to be controlled again because Supreme Court that statement of autonomy where then they make heavy weather of now. They forget say law day constitution.
The talk and say that be the #1 lawyer for this country, not a mistake. He
yes,
say what that they do, the state government say go check and work because they contrary to what the Supreme Court talk.
No, why is contrary? We say the state government still they follow law, the ground norm of the land and the constitution.
Okay.
And the constitution by virtue of section 7, apart from saying local government will run democratically, where it happens so, where then they so, he say the state go through the House of Assembly now. Go enact law for the good running, good administration of the local government. And pursuant to that, now we get local government law. When I was in the House of Assembly, we amend them. I was the chairman, legal matters then. This, based on that, now local government enact the local government law, where they govern them. Now, based on that law, any infraction, you give someone suspension 2 months, and a first instance. Because even when we suspend our colleagues, for House of Assembly, Speaker and the rest, it shows when you do the investigation, never conclude the investigation, when the panel, sorry sir, when the committee you set up never bring back reports, you go renew them, it's renewable.
Okay, I want to find out from you, because you talk and I say the state legislature, House of Assembly, suspend these people. Now, what do they call them now? The local legislature, the councillors, they come impeach them. Are we saying now, say those one, their own law, come past the one when BCA say the House of Assembly talk?
No, House of Assembly. So what I'm saying, that's what I'm talking about.
At the end of the suspension, which is 2 months, when you go elapse on Monday now.
They not get office to go. Now they try to tell you.
Why they not get office to go? That means the House of Assembly is suspended. No, if you call them back again.
No, the House of Assembly where you call them.
Where it's suspended, no, if you call them back.
There are certain actions where you go take place. You take judicial notice of those actions.
Okay.
The House of Assembly also aware that they are being impeached. I don't know if you get when they come. When you know. Phyllis Shaibu, for example, my comrade, he was impeached by the House of Assembly. You know, they impeached him.
Yeah.
He went to court. And in fact, when they impeached him, immediately someone, because they cannot be vacuumed, somebody did there. So, now it's seamless, the thing. Why they are they complicate, as I tell you, where I use allusion of Dante's Divine Comedy, they say, what the House of Assembly will do? Those ones went further to perfect it, just as Jerusalem perfects all the 8 things had accomplished. You don't understand me?
I agree with you, my brother Honorable Paul Ohobami, the Edo State Commissioner for Communications and Information. Congratulations in 100 days in office. I pray make everything when BCA concerned and make you work out.
Another thing, you don't see this governor, he lost, you know, vehicles,
for security,
brand new, not the Sienna. So you can see that there is difference between old order and new order.
No, the e-loss, what happened to them now?
No, the one gives security. Now part of the
until what we see, I say they don't give them.
No, I go apart from that.
I go to my house. Yes. I see many of them for there.
So those now that way you
close to about 70 or more.
There are more.
So now the two we see.
And he has also approved procurement of about 1,000 motorbikes.
Okay.
To give to some security people to comb the nooks and crannies of the state, especially the bushes, where you easy for. They have also approved, I mean, giving a nod.
Until I give them to them, we never see them.
Is he going to be using?
No. See, because whether we like them or not,
Yes.
those healers when they there, they don't reach close to that kind.
It will be 200, yes.
And they don't reach up to 3 weeks when they.
No, now part of the team will be 100 days when you do want this period. During that 100 days, it will get meaning.
Okay.
That you are giving and not Sienna. You are giving this.
Follow thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
It's 100 days. I say congratulations.
Thank you.
The matter when we say concern 100 days, we'll still continue more after this time when BCSC we don't take so because we'll still be somebody and maybe still look this 100 days, no matter how it be. Stay with us.